Okay, so I want to let you guys in on a little secret that you may not have known before. But if you don't know, now you know. You can manifest anything that you want instantly. We can actually step into a reality right now where you have everything that you want. So I want to get you to your glow up yesterday. What we need to do to get this done is step into a reality where we have a glow up. So what you want to do is first really think about what a glow up for you means. It doesn't have to take you a long time to figure that out, because at the end of the day, your subconscious mind knows exactly what it is that you mean by a glow up. But let's just quickly calibrate here. Is it you want to lose weight and have slim arms and have no crow's feet and have long hair and no pimples? Is it that you want amber eyes and you want to be shorter? Like, it can be everything, and it can be a long list of things. It can be a few things, and it can be everything. It could be you wanting to look like a specific celebrity, or it can be I want to look like the best version of myself. You can be specific or generic. What I want you to do after you have decided that that is what you mean by a glow up, I want you to do this exercise with me. Now, I have been doing this exercise for a couple of videos now, and I have been getting great results. I will be posting all of those videos in the cards up above along this video. So we're gonna be quantum jumping, quantum leaping into the reality right now where we have had our massive glow up. This is the most effective way to get an instant manifestation where you basically don't even have to do sats. Like, you can just shift into a new reality. It's very easy. So I want you to know that the next step that you take with me now, and this is the exercise, you will enter a new reality where every single thing that you have experienced is exactly the same. And the only thing that has changed is your glow up. So whatever it is that you have specified in step number 1, that's what I want you to do. Oh my God, I'm so excited for you. Okay, when we take this step, I want you to be sharp as a whistle. This is the most important step of this entire process. You need to, as soon as your foot hits that ground, you need to recognize instantly in that moment that you have stepped into a new reality. You have shifted into your 3D reality, a new one. You've literally stepped into a new parallel reality where absolutely every single millimeter and every single detail of your life stays exactly the same, and everything that doesn't have to do with you, everything stays exactly the same. Basically, the only thing that changes is your glow up, and you have to recognize this as a fact. The next step that I take, and as I'm stepping, because you can't see me stepping, I'm gonna go like this as well as my foot hits the wood. So the next step that I take, I am going to have the glow up of my life, okay? On a count of 3, when I say the word 3, I am going to step into a new reality, and I'm going to recognize myself as having the ultimate glow up, and you will too. How do you do this? We are simply just telling ourselves in our minds that our glow up is in this 3D reality right now, no matter what. We're sending that signal to our mind, and we are saying this is a fact the second that your foot steps onto the floor. All right? So on a count of 3, I will have my ultimate glow up in 1, 2, 3. We have just now entered into a brand new reality where you have had your biggest glow up ever. And I'm so excited for you. Congratulations. You look amazing. What did you do? Was it my glow up subliminal? Did you step into a new reality? Like, what is it? Because I need to know the secret. Girl, boy, let me take a little look at you. Okay, wow, yeah, that's beautiful. I'm a little starstruck by you. Okay, you look hot, you look beautiful, you look sexy. Like, I can't get enough of you, goddamn. Like, I need to take a picture, and I just need to frame it on my wall because you look absolutely amazing. Congratulations, you've now stepped into a reality where you have your ultimate glow up. You're beyond a 10 out of 10. You're everything that you ever could have wanted and dreamed of and more. Let me know in the comments down below your experience with this and everything that you have manifested. I mean, we literally just shifted realities together. So I would love to know what it is that is now in your reality. Take a look at the comments of all of the videos that I have included in the cards up above, because they will hype you up so much. I have shifted with over 1 million people, and all of them in the comments down below were like, girl, this worked. Like the second that I shifted, it worked. Like I got the text, he came back to me, because I did a bunch of other topics with this, and it works for anything, so you can do this with anything. And I love making these videos. So yeah, I'm so excited for you. Before I go, I want to let you know about the services that I offer. For all of the services, just go on ritakaminski.com. If you want to book one-on-one coaching with me, that will be in the third link in the description box down below, or on ritakaminski.com if you want to enroll in my either Manifest Your SP course or the Perfect Self-Concept course. Go on ritakaminski.com or click on the first link for the Perfect Self-Concept course or the second link for the Manifest Your SP course. I said third link, I meant fourth link. The third link is for all of my courses. I would recommend for you to take a look at the Perfect Self-Concept course. If you're manifesting a glow up, the Perfect Self-Concept goes hand in hand with that, because everything that you think of yourself from the inside will come out on the outside. Having a self-concept, a perfect self-concept, doesn't just mean having a perfect inside world, it means having a perfect outside world as well. So make sure to check that out. If you want to check out my membership, just click on the join button right next to my name, or click on the fifth link in the description box down below, or go on ritakaminski.com to save you the trouble. I love you all so much. I intend that this video literally changed your life for the best and gave you the guidance that you needed. I hope you have an amazing, beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.